How to fix Shopee banned devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to fix if your device is banned by Shopee app. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is open your Shopee on another browser where your device or the browser is not banned, and then search for it. Now, once you have searched for Shopee, you just have to make sure that you are logged into your account. So as you can see here on the browser, I've searched for Shopee, selected the region, and then from here, you just have to log in. And once you are logged in, you just want to click on your profile icon at the top right, and then head over to My Account. So from here, tap on My Account on the left side of your screen, and just visit your profile page. And first thing you're going to have to do here is give all of these details that has not been filled yet, like your profile, your addresses, and more. You could also select an image that could give your profile more credibility, so it would be easier for you to get unbanned from the device. And the main thing you're going to have to do is add a phone number. So click on add, and then from here just enter your phone number, click on next, and verify your phone number. After doing that, your account should be unbanned, or your device should be unbanned by the Shopee's app. So after doing this, you just have to go back and try to log into your banned device and see if that works. But if it's not working, then you'll have to contact Shopee's help center. So click on this link, or you could just search for Shopee help like so, or Shopee support, and hit enter. Click on the first link that you see, and then from here, if you have any other question, you have an option to chat with them or just directly give them a call. So click on have a chat, and then from here, they're showing you guys how you can have a chat using your phone, and you'll have an option to talk to a live agent. So you can talk to them about your problem and you should be good to go. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.